Hi everyone! This is an unusual kind of video for our channel, but we decided it's time to start sharing something more than form-filling tips with you. We invite you to explore PDFLiner a bit more. From now on, we will share the news and updates that our product team is constantly working on. So, without any further ado, let's dive into PDFLiner Spring updates. AI Automatic Form Filling. We've added a new feature to the AI Assistant that helps users fill out our most popular forms by simply chatting with AI. At the end of your conversation, the assistant will ask you to review and confirm all the information, and then the form will be filled out automatically. Check it out and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. AI Form Guides. These are short but valuable tips located throughout a form that can help you quickly understand what is required from you in a specific section or field. We designed this feature with your time in mind, so you won't have to go anywhere else for the instructions and then return to the form. This feature is also available on our most popular forms, but if you have a form that you need to fill out from time to time and don't like constantly looking into instructions, write the name in the comments section, and we will make sure to add the form guides there as well. Simple upper panel. In some cases, you don't need any editing tools and just want to concentrate on your document. To help you complete your forms without distraction, we added the ability to hide editing tools. Just click the button right here, and it will be just you and the form. If you get to the point where you need to use some of the tools, you can always bring them back. Request W-9 in 4 quick steps. We added a landing page to help you save time on W-9 requests. Here, you only need to click the button, paste your recipient's email address, write their name and your name in the email template, and hit the Send button. The recipient will receive an email with a link to fill out the form. Once they complete it, you'll receive a notification. You can find the link in the description below, so check it out. These are Spring 2024 PDFLiner updates. We hope they make your document workflow as simple and stress-free as possible. Let us know your thoughts and what else could simplify your experience. If you like this new format, please click the thumbs up to let us know, and we will create more videos like this in the future to keep you posted on all our news.